Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am really excited for today's cleaning and organizational video. We are starting off right here in my kitchen under the sink, and I'm gonna show you guys how I organize this area here. We're gonna be doing lots of deep cleaning in today's video, so make sure that you watch this all the way through for some extra cleaning motivation, as well as just tackling some daily tasks. But you can see under my kitchen sink here when I was doing this organization, it was really gross. I ended up finding some mouse poop, so I went ahead and cleaned that off camera as it was kind of gross and it still doesn't look the best. So then I went in, gave it a really good clean, and then I'm gonna go ahead and line it with some paper that I found at the Dollar Tree before going ahead and starting with the organization. So this was my first time ever working with peel and stick, and I actually didn't mind it. I just went ahead and, as you can see, tried to like freehand measure it, so to speak, and then I marked it with a little pen and decided where I was going to cut it before going ahead and laying it down and using a credit card to kind of smooth it out. I think this was a good test area for me to try, and I will definitely be using this again in the future.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. Me feel is crazy. How did you get so
as you can see, I was just kind of playing with the area to see and make sure that everything fit where I wanted it to for the actual organization. And then I wanted to go ahead and just put everything into cleaner looking containers. So I actually kept the soap in this soap jar and just took off the paper, and then I put our Cascade pods here in this little kitchen organizer, which I got from Amazon, and I can have all of the products that I used linked in the description. But I wanted to just add in clear containers so that, number one, I could see everything, and so that it just looked a lot cleaner. Wait until you see the before and after of this under the sink organization. It was incredible.
Every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Different, you got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 'cause you got me like
Alright, you guys, we are moving on, but staying in the kitchen here. I'm going to go ahead and cut up this watermelon before moving on to some cleaning motivation. If you are enjoying this video so far, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And make sure that you stick around again till the whole video is done, as I am tackling downstairs in my basement bathroom for some more deep cleaning motivation.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from lights and keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song.
So when I was at the grocery store this past week, I actually found these President Choice salt and pepper shakers, and I had been looking for some for quite some time. I looked on Amazon and then never ended up ordering them, so I was really happy to find these on sale. Again, they are the brand President's Choice. If you are interested, I will see if I can find them online, but I just got them at my local superstore. And so yeah, I'm just going ahead and filling those and then tidying up. Why does it seem like the kitchen just takes so long to get clean? Let me know in the comments if you are the same. Now that I have all of that kind of tidied up, I'm just going ahead and wiping down my countertops with my new sea salt and lime spray. I am loving this multi-purpose spray. I always say if you are finding that you are just not quite motivated, one of the things that I like to do is just go out and buy a new cleaning product, and it just kind of spices things up a little bit and helps me get into the motivation to clean.
All the memories just lingers on repeat like it is never gonna stop.
Now moving on, we are tackling this mess here in my dining area as well as my entryway, and moving on through the house, we are also tackling the living room and my bedroom before moving on to the basement. So lots of cleaning motivation to come. Stay tuned, and I hope you are up and moving with me.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords. We hang out and then you get bored, and you leave me here like I'm your landlord. You come back and say I'm sorry, boo, and I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist, there's nothing like wine.
I don't even know how our shoe rack gets so disorganized, so I just went ahead and did like a quick little reorganize there. And now I am going ahead and moving on to my main living space and just kind of picking up and tidying up around the house here. I would love to know in the comments if you have a mudroom or if you just have like an entryway. My husband and I both really want a mudroom. He is considering building one just so that we can kind of have one at our entryway there, but we don't know how long we will be in this house for. This obviously is not our forever home. If you are new here, we are currently renting, and so we don't want to necessarily like build one and then not be able to take it with us because, like, let's say our new house that we end up purchasing has a mudroom. But anyway, I just went on a little tangent there. My whole question is, if you have a mudroom, do you like it? Or like, do you find that it doesn't really, like, it's kind of a waste of space? I would love to hear what your thoughts are on having a mudroom or not.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
As I'm watching this footage back, I realize you guys have not seen this mirror. I did actually paint it. This was one of the projects I did a few weeks back in one of my videos, and it's going to be part of my bathroom makeover, which will be coming really soon, hopefully, on my channel. I just went and got the paint yesterday as I'm filming this voiceover, and so I'm really excited for what's to come. But now we are moving on for some deep cleaning motivation here in this shower, you guys. This shower gets so bad. I couldn't believe the soap buildup on the shower doors, so I went in with a magic eraser and then this CLR all over the shower. So let's go ahead and get this cleaned.
The trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet 'cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. I can't go on. I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I combine to make things right. I know you see me through, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is shown. There's nowhere I can hide. I can see myself falling, crashing down. I'm 99% of all the love that we've got. I'm 99.5.
Alright everybody, that is all I have for you for today's Clean and Organize with me here in 2021. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you in my next one. Bye.
Just a little bit of you and I go